Good morning, class. Welcome to week 4. Before we get started into what's due for week 4, I want to discuss a few things that are very important. We're in our last 2 weeks of class. Last week, we talked about study habits and time management skills. You guys had some great ideas going in the discussion board, particularly like the highlighting and the post-it notes. That is one of my favorite things to do. Um, Also, I saw some great time management plans. You guys are very creative, and a lot of you have time management skills pretty much packed down, or at least you have a good understanding of how to manage your time and make a schedule and then apply it to your life. So I know that you guys will be successful in managing your time and working in study and full-time work and your families and stuff. It was good to see that you guys scheduled. I saw a couple of schedules where you guys were scheduling in time with loved ones, quality time with loved ones, where you're not doing schoolwork, you're not working, you're not doing housework. One particular one that I like was someone said that they wake up and have coffee with their guy. That is so good and special and sweet. You should have those times. You should. That's called healthy life balance. When you're able to have quality time with your loved ones and then schedule time for work and studies. So I'm very proud of you guys because you seem to all have a good grasp on the time management skills and study skills. With that being said, there were a few zeros in the last 3 weeks. This is the time to get caught up. You only have one assignment due for week 4. So if you have any missing assignments, go ahead and submit those. I'll grade those. You will have some points taken off for late work, but it's better to have some points than no points. So go ahead and get your zero work turned in. And then also at the beginning of this week, you'll see a end of term survey that you need to fill out. What this survey does is we hear your voice. When you fill out the survey, we hear what you say. Tell us about the curriculum, the content. Did you learn anything? Was the instructor helpful? Because we can make changes and improvements based on your input, your feedback in that survey. So be sure to complete your end of term survey in week 4. And then Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, we're going to have what is called Career Day in this class. And we'll have a guest speaker. Tomorrow, December 11th at 7 p.m., the program director over the Allied Health Programs, Tracy Lee, will be hosting a career day where she'll discuss allied health careers and how to get a job and what to expect in the program and different things like that. If you have any questions about your program, your teachers, anything like that, tomorrow at 7 p.m. is a good time to ask those questions. If you're in the business program, we'll be meeting on Wednesday, December 12th at 7 p.m. And the program director for the business program, Becky Reeder, she will be hosting that meeting, and she'll discuss the different employment opportunities and career fields that you can go into and answer your questions. So I will be in both of those sessions. I look forward to seeing you. You should have all received a Zoom email inviting you to this event. If you did not receive that email, please let me know and I'll send it out again to you. I'm looking forward to it. This is going to be an exciting time. I think you guys are really going to enjoy doing that. And then let's go ahead and go into week 4. We're going to talk about future goals in week 4. We're going to talk about goal setting, setting SMART goals. You're going to talk about what it means to set goals. The discussion, you're going to love this video from the Denver Broncos player, former player, Reggie Rivers. He gives you some great insight on how to set your goals and what it really means to set goals and how to live your life. And then, and then your assignment 4, you're going to prepare a personal finance budget. And in that budget, you can use hypothetical numbers or you can use actual numbers. I will be the only one seeing this budget. It doesn't have to be your actual budget. You can make up numbers. Say, maybe you're not working right now, so you don't have a salary. Well, what do you want to make? You want to make $50,000 a year? Then budget off of $50,000 a year. There is an example, but a sample budget in the assignment when you go into week 4. So you can use that as a format, but there's also templates and different things like that in Microsoft Office and online that you can use if you want to be creative. I noticed that this class is very creative and like to use different types of resources, and I love it. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. So if you want to do that, that is totally okay. We're winding down. I know that this time of year can be very distracting because it's the holidays. Everyone's getting amped up for the holidays or whatever you guys do this time of year. It's winter time and all that stuff is going on. I just want to encourage you to not procrastinate. Get your work in early as possible, and enjoy it. Have fun. This week, I like this week because I love setting goals. Try to enjoy setting goals. Try to foresee what you want to happen in your life and in your educational journey. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call me, text me, email me, any way you want to reach me. I'm Kim Possible. Okay. All right, guys, have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.